What is Synapse XT? Synapse XT is a nutritional supplement marketed as both a hearing supplement and a nootropic brain supplement. The makers of Synapse XT claim the formula is a natural way to supercharge and maintain a healthy brain, and hearing nootropics claim to support memory, focus, and attention, but they are not known to help with hearing. Synapse XT is a combination of a nootropic supplement and a hearing supplement, which makes it different from other nootropics available today. Depending on the severity of your hearing loss, doctors typically recommend hearing aids, surgery, or physical therapies on and around your ear, like wax removal. It's rare for doctors to recommend taking a supplement to help with hearing. What is tinnitus? Is relatively easy to spot. At its core, tinnitus is a ringing noise in the ears. But for most sufferers, it ends up being much more uncomfortable. With a constant ringing noise, focusing on a given task can be nearly impossible. How can we concentrate when a constant ringing in the ears makes it difficult to engage with anyone at all? The condition is relatively common, affecting an estimated 15,120% of people all around the world. According to Mayo Clinic, tinnitus isn't a condition by itself. Instead, it actually functions as a symptom of other conditions. In particular, hearing loss that comes naturally with age can manifest in the form of tinnitus and other similar symptoms. Additionally, people who experience prolonged exposure to exceptionally loud sounds are likely to develop tinnitus. One common misconception of the symptom is that it is only experienced by elderly folks. While it is accurate that older people are more likely to experience tinnitus as a symptom of existing hearing loss, young people can also develop hearing loss. Men and women who are in the military, for example, might develop tinnitus early from the loud noises associated with firearms. Tinnitus can also result from circulatory disorders, as well as other illnesses. Some people report that their tinnitus became so distracting and disorienting that it contributed to mental illness, such as depressive episodes and suicidal ideation. The symptom can be a major contributor to other illnesses, and it can surely worsen existing conditions. Men and women who are exposed to significant amounts of loud noises are particularly susceptible to tinnitus, as well as a litany of illnesses which are entailed by the condition and symptom. Older Americans are especially susceptible to developing tinnitus. Tinnitus actually often results from existing hearing loss, which elderly men and women are likely to develop over time. Tinnitus isn't just an annoyance in these cases. It can take an existing condition and make it significantly worse. Elderly people who already struggle to hear could experience complete auditory isolation as they begin to develop tinnitus in their ears. Gunshots, airplane takeoffs, and loud rock music are just a few examples of the types of noises that cause tinnitus in young folks. Tinnitus symptoms: it isn't entirely difficult to know if someone is suffering from tinnitus. In fact, it remains one of the easier hearing-related conditions to effectively diagnose. The easiest way to notice tinnitus is the classic ringing in the ears. Everyone experiences ringing in their ears every once in a while. Two main qualities separate tinnitus from this very normal, acceptable amount of ear ringing. First, tinnitus sufferers experience this ringing relatively constantly and over a prolonged period of time. The ringing persists, regardless of changing conditions outside of the ear. People with tinnitus sometimes report that they experience so much constant ringing that it's even hard to hear their own thoughts. Of course, tinnitus can manifest in varying levels of severity. For some people, the condition is just a soft ringing. For others, it may sound more like alarm bells sounding off. Second, tinnitus is generally connected to some level of hearing loss. Statistics show that around 90% of tinnitus patients also suffer from some sort of hearing loss. If you think you're suffering from tinnitus, the best piece of advice is to speak to your doctor, or perhaps even a hearing and ear health specialist. Although tinnitus is easy to spot, medical experts will likely have a clearer sense of what is required to diagnose both the symptom and its severity. Your doctor will also be able to advise you on how to best approach the disease from a medical perspective. But users who already know they have tinnitus might be interested in using a supplement to improve their condition. Supplements can be helpful in addressing tinnitus, although they are not completely effective. It is important that consumers manage their expectations, especially when using non-traditional medical practices. Click the first link in the description below the order de traffic commercial from the official website. Is tinnitus treatable? People should always remember that there is a difference between treatability and curability. Many conditions are very difficult to cure, but relatively easy to treat. Tinnitus supplements can help to improve the severity of the condition for some sufferers. More importantly, people suffering from depressive episodes as a consequence of their tinnitus can experience significant relief from some treatment methods. But tinnitus cannot be solved completely. Some medications can help to improve the general condition of the illness. But the hearing loss associated with tinnitus is often difficult to completely eradicate. Older Americans in particular should manage their expectations about tinnitus treatments. It can be extremely hard to return strength to the ears after they have begun to lose their capacity to hear. Can supplements help with tinnitus? It is important to manage expectations. People experiencing hearing loss and tinnitus should seriously consider the opinions of medical professionals. Your doctor should be able to tell you how to properly address your specific kind of tinnitus and hearing loss. Readers should know that tinnitus cannot be completely cured by any supplement, according to existing research. However, some scientific evidence does show that some supplements, vitamins, and minerals can help to treat tinnitus. The main function of these supplements is to help minimize the symptoms of tinnitus, as well as their severity and impact on daily life. To put things simply, tinnitus supplements in this guide can help to limit the seriousness of tinnitus, although they generally cannot solve the problem entirely. Vitamin B6 is one ingredient being recommended by many doctors as a potential natural way to combat the effects of tinnitus. B6 is good because it helps to improve the health of the small hair follicles which regulate hearing from the inner ear. Part of the cause of hearing loss is damage to these small follicles. B6 helps to revitalize and make these hair follicles healthier. This can potentially both improve hearing and combat the core cause of tinnitus. We generally recommend that consumers pursue a treatment track that combines traditional medical treatment with natural supplement use. How does Synapse XT work? Synapse XT works similarly to other nootropic supplements. 2 capsules of Synapse XT per day may result in various cognitive and hearing benefits. Some of the specific advertised benefits of Synapse XT, according to the manufacturer: support hearing, memory, and focus. Support communication between brain cells to reduce brain fatigue. Support perception of sounds and senses, like hearing, transform your life with clear thinking and hearing. Supercharge and maintain hearing and a healthy brain. Obviously, these are bold claims for a supplement to make. While some herbal extracts are proven to support cognition, few herbal extracts have been proven to reverse hearing loss or provide other benefits. If you're losing your hearing, it is best to reach out to a physician to learn more about your situation. Here's how the makers of Synapse XT describe each of the ingredients and how they work. Hibiscus extract. Synapse XT uses hibiscus extract to calm the nervous system, according to the official website. Garlic. Synapse XT uses garlic to support and maintain brain health. Hawthorn berry. The makers of Synapse XT also claim that hawthorn berry can support and maintain brain health. Vitamins. Synapse XT uses B vitamins and vitamin C to support overall health and wellness. The body needs B vitamins and vitamin C to support crucial body functions, including brain and hearing functions. Synapse XT contains a small selection of vitamins and minerals similar to the ingredients you can find in a multivitamin supplement. Some may argue, Synapse XT lacks many of the nootropic ingredients found in other supplements, like L-theanine, GABA, rhodiola, but the formula seems to compensate with other creative ingredients that support brain health. Scientific evidence for Synapse XT. Synapse XT claims to support hearing and cognitive health in multiple ways. The company has not tested the formula on any humans or animals, nor have they published any studies proving the formula works as advertised to help with hearing and cognition. However, since we know the dosages and ingredients in Synapse XT, we can compare those dosages and ingredients to other studies. A 2011 study published in the Indian Journal of Pharmacology suggested that hibiscus could have antioxidant effects in the brain, helping with amnesia and memory loss. Researchers gave animals a dose of hibiscus equivalent to 25, 50, or 100 mg per kg, a much higher dose than the 350 mg total of hibiscus extract in Synapse XT. Hibiscus extract seemed to help with cognition, although it didn't help with hearing. According to the British Tinnitus Association, hibiscus is frequently recommended as a treatment for hearing loss and tinnitus. Is Synapse XT a scam? Most, rightfully so, are wondering whether or not a real risk or threat of the Synapse XT scam exists. Unfortunately, the answer is twofold, and there are very important distinctions to be made when considering whether or not to buy Synapse XT pills today. The first one is easy to decipher the difference in how to avoid all Synapse XT scams by simply never ordering from any other website other than the official offers homepage of Synapse.com. Not only is this the smartest option with the best pricing online for Synapse XT tinnitus relief formula, but it also guarantees ultimate consumer protection in regards to the company actively testing the purity and verifying the potency of the product. Customers who buy Synapse XT from Synapse.com will get the lowest prices available while also being protected with a 2-month money-back guarantee and authentically formulated capsules. Simply put, save yourself the headache and know where to buy Synapse XT pills officially from the company's website only. Not even Amazon or eBay is to be considered real. The other answer behind the question of whether or not a Synapse XT scam is present or not is largely focused on does it actually work to enhance brain health and hearing ability naturally. The formula contains 8 simple yet powerful ingredients that support the communication between cellular activity for bringing synergy to hearing health and brain function. While it is likely that every user will experience different results, Synapse XT supplementation is formulated for those dealing with tinnitus-like conditions of ringing in the ears and want to see how a specific dosage of vitamins and minerals can make a difference and help subside all of the dreaded whooshing, hissing and buzzing sounds. The popularity of using Synapse XT for tinnitus has witnessed quite a fast-paced rise, as it is a well-known formula for helping thousands of individuals already. There are many Synapse consumer reports and independent reviews of Synapse XT to visit online, but the large majority of them are fond of the formula and speak highly about the company, the product and its advertised benefits. Synapse XT pricing. Synapse XT is priced at $69 per bottle, although you can drop the price to $49 or $59 per bottle by ordering multiple bottles at once. 1 bottle, $69 plus $7.95 shipping. 3 bottles, $177 plus free shipping. 6 bottles, $294 plus free shipping. Each bottle comes with 60 capsules, 30 servings. You take 2 capsules daily to support ear and brain health. Synapse XT refund policy. If Synapse XT doesn't reverse your hearing loss or support your brain, then you can request a complete refund within 60 days. You must return the bottle to qualify for a refund, even if the bottle is empty. The company will keep the original shipping costs. Who's behind Synapse XT? The makers of Synapse XT provide limited information about themselves, their background, their manufacturing location, or their ingredient sources. Click the first link in the description below the order. Get traffic commercial from the official website.